There's the houseboats. Sicamous straight ahead. Bruin Bridge construction. Coming into Sicamous from Salmon Arm. Kamloops is behind us. There's the houseboats way over there where we're going to rent the decked out. Right beside my place, right there. And then you guys are just off to the right of the bridge at Moose's. There's my place right there. Big sandbar will be showing when you guys get here. There'll be all kinds of boats hanging out at the sandbar there. New 4-lane highway going in here. Lots of blasting. There's my place. There's the houseboats over there. Real close. Everything's real close. Oh, jeez. New bridge going right where that blue tarp is. Going to be a 4-laner coming right through here. Big beach right there in front of my place. Train bridge. And Moose's is off to the right. Just beside that reddish brown building there. The blue says pub on the roof, if you can see it. That's where you guys are staying. And that's my place. And there's the new road on the left. There's Main Street. All the bars are right there. Block, 2 blocks up the road. Brothers, Legion. And here's the Super 8 right here. Right here with Moose's. That's where you guys are staying. And Tom is staying right up here on the right. And Tom is like right there at Shuswap Waterfront Marina. Just inside there, right on the shore. It's a short walk to here. And there's a campfire back there where Tom's going to be staying. So there's your Super 8 right there. Start of Main Street.
And the end of Main Street.
And the end of Main Street. And the end. Coming up on Brothers. Beach Cheek. All the shopping for the ladies.
Oh, look. They have a... Oh, look.
Shopping. Beach Cheek. The ladies will like that for bathing suits. Here's the Legion. That place gets rocking.
It's busy.
Oh, there's always shit going on. Yep. Something's going on. And that's a pretty good place for Caesars. Here's Brothers right here. That's a pretty good place. There's a bar on the side and a liquor store in the front. There it is. Lots of bike parking there too. Grocery store, Askew's, Main Street.